friends, welcome to my video. In this video today we are going to know how to download Minecraft. Minecraft is the best game to play. You can create your own city, like you can create, and you just add blocks. So I'm going to show you how to download that game. Let's start our video. Now go to the link. In the link, subscribe my channel. I already subscribed my channel, and here you will have get your link button. Click on it. Now it will go to drive. Just download the 3 items which were given by me. Now it's loading. Now just download it. Here the button is there. So see, they are downloading. I downloaded it. Now extract it. So here you have extracted to the specified folder. Click on this. Now here you will have choose a file to extract it. So I'm choosing I already extracted it, so I'm not cancelling it. Now I have downloaded this, so just go to where you downloaded. See, download these 3, and after you downloaded all these 3, just go to TE launcher here at the third one and click on run. Now see, the title is appearing, Minecraft. It was loading. After it was loaded, now here you will have version. Click on this version and keep as 1.12.1 and click on play. See, it was downloading. For the first time only it will download, or in the second time it will not download. It was loading. See, it was loaded. Mojang. We loaded also. After loading, just play and enjoy the game. It is very nice game. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.